Listen, it ain't nothing like some good crispy fried shrimp, and you throw that bang bang sauce on them, you got you something. I'm gonna show you guys how to make some crispy bang bang shrimp. You ready? Let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and do a quick rundown. Let me tell you what we have. We have our shrimp over here. We have some buttermilk here, panko bread. We use some flour. We have garlic chili sauce here, some sriracha sauce, some sweet chili sauce, cornstarch, mayo, egg, and I'm gonna use some adobo seasoning to season our flour. Now you can season your flour however you want with some onion powder, salt, pepper, garlic powder, that works too. But that adobo seasoning has all that in it, so I'm gonna use that. All right, let's get started. Okay, to get started, we're gonna make our bang bang sauce. So we're gonna add our mayo to this small bowl, followed by our sweet chili sauce, our chili garlic sauce, and our sriracha sauce. And all we're gonna do is get at a good mix like that. That beautiful bang bang sauce. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and set that aside and we're gonna continue. Next, we're gonna prepare our flour mixture. We're gonna add our breadcrumbs along with our flour, cornstarch. Guys, that cornstarch is gonna make these babies crispy, so don't leave out the cornstarch. And you wanna add in your seasoning. I'm gonna use that adobo seasoning. And all we're gonna do is just get at a mix just like that. All right, that's what we have. We're gonna set that aside and continue. All right, so now let's prepare our buttermilk mixture. We're gonna add our buttermilk here, along with our egg. And guys, I'm gonna drop some of that adobo up in here too. Keep that baby all seasoned at every step. And now we're just gonna get that mixed up like this. All right, let's continue. Okay, so now we have our setup. We have our flour, we have our egg mixture, and we have a plate here where we're gonna place our shrimp after we coat them. So the first thing we're gonna do is gonna take one of our shrimps, you dip it in the flour mixture, then into the buttermilk mixture, and then back into your flour. And we're gonna pour that out. We're gonna sit it right here on the plate, right there. All right, I'm gonna do one more for you. Take our flour hand like this. We're gonna dip that into our buttermilk. We're gonna pour that out. Bring that flour hand back over. Just like that, guys. You see it? We're gonna sit that right here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of them, and I'll be back once I finish. Okay, so we've battered all our shrimp. So this is what we have. So now we're gonna place them in the refrigerator, let that flour settle into it, firm up a little bit, then we're gonna drop them in that hot grease. That's how you're gonna get that really crispy crunch on these shrimp, all right? So see you in 30. All right, so we're 30 minutes out of the refrigerator. Guys, you take a look at it, you'll notice that flour has set in, it's gotten hard. That's what we want. That's gonna help this baby crunch. I got our oil right here on heating up to 350 degrees. Guys, you want that oil hot when you drop it in there. If you can see some of that smoke coming out, it looks like we're ready. So I'm gonna start dropping our shrimp in here. And guys, you don't wanna overcrowd your pan because you want these babies to just go ahead and cook. You're gonna let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. I think that's enough right there. And to be honest, guys, mine's are pretty little, so they're probably gonna cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. So depending on how big your shrimp are, you may wanna dial back on that. Yeah, I actually think about 2 to 3 minutes is probably better. No more than 3 minutes. This oil is hot. As soon as they get in, them babies cooking. All right, so it looks like mine are ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and start removing these from our pan. And I'm gonna put it on a lined plate, lined in paper towels, while we finish the remaining batches. Man, look at that, all right? All right, I'm gonna set these aside while I turn off our cooktop, then we're gonna finish them out, all right? All right, so now we're over at our cutting board. All we're gonna do is we're gonna add our shrimp to the bowl, just like that. And we're gonna take our bang bang sauce, and we're just gonna pour it over our shrimp like this. Now you use as much or as little as you want. I like to save a little bit for dipping also. So we can toss these babies like this. Probably give it a stir too. Make sure we get some of that bang bang sauce on all of it. Hey, maybe a little bit more of that bang bang on there. A little bit more of that bang bang. All right, I think that's enough right there. We're gonna get that flipped over. Move these around like this. All right, so I'm gonna get these on a plate while they're nice and hot, get into the final presentation and quality control. Man, I may sneak one in between. All right, let's go. Guys, take a look at that right there. We're gonna do some final garnishment on this. I'm gonna add a little sesame seeds here. And guys, this is totally optional. This makes it look a little pretty. And also we're gonna add some nice little green onions to the top, give it a little color. And there you have it, guys. Bang Bang Shrimp. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. I'm gonna leave the ingredients in the video description so you guys check out. Let's jump into quality control because I'm ready to taste these babies out. Man, oh, let's go. All right, so we are back in here. Quality control time, guys. You already know we got that Bang Bang Shrimp right here, man. These babies look absolutely delicious. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and pick one up. Oh, man. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Oh. Bang Bang Shrimp. I know by now you guys have had Bang Bang Shrimp before. I don't have to sell you on it, but I can sell you on how good this recipe is right here. When I get Bang Bang Shrimp, I usually get them from P.F. Chan's. Also, Bonefish Grill got some good Bang Bang Shrimp. But man, these babies are delicious. What's up, man? Oh. Oh, man. Oh. Man. To the end, you already know who I am. I'm your cook, Spinell. My mama did teach me not to talk with my mouth full, so let me finish up. All right, so until then, I'm your cook, Spinell. All wings, everything, and remember, I ain't no chef. I just like to cook, or I just cook a lot, and now I'm out. Peace.